How to link Instagram to Facebook page. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. First, you'll need to log in to your Facebook account. From there, you just need to go to the page on your account that's usually beside the home icon. You can see pages. You just need to click on it. Once you click on it, you can choose on the pages that you have created. In my case here, I can click on Moonstar. When I click on the page, it routes me to managing my page and profiles. So in order for us to link your Instagram account, you just need to go to the left side panel of the website and scroll down. You need to go to settings. From settings, on the left side panel of the screen still, you need to look for Instagram here. That's between branded content and WhatsApp. Once you click on Instagram, you just need to click on Connect Account. When you click on Connect Account, you just hit on Connect and then Confirm. And then it routes you, or it redirects you to your Instagram account. So I'll be using another account here. So I'll just type in my email. Moment here. Okay. Type in my email and then I just need to type in my password. And log in. Once you hit on login, you just need wait for it to load up. Then you can either save your login info or you can just do it later. And then that's it. Your Facebook page has now been linked to your Instagram. Just click on done. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.